I worked for TE out in Seattle, and we worked on a project for Boeing.
I worked for Yahoo. We developed a new method to develop new products.
I worked for SC Johnson this summer doing design strategy and design process planning.
This summer I worked for Adaptive Path in San Francisco. I worked on one of their team projects, did research and strategy within the interaction field.
I worked at Motorola over the summer helping them understand their customers.
I worked at Gensler in their strategy consulting group.
I worked for Motorola this summer doing interaction, strategy planning, and research.
This summer, I worked for Doblin, and I designed inducement prizes for the U.S. Department of Education.
I worked for Pure Insight in Washington, D.C. They're a small innovation consultancy, and I worked as a design strategist.
I worked for Telefonica, and I did research, strategy, and wireframing.
I worked at Best Buy as an interaction designer.
This summer I worked for RTC, and I worked in their in-house agency as a design planner for the retail environment.
This summer I worked for Idiom, working on new shopping experiences and then taking classes at Stewart.
I was working for Echo, which is an industrial design company, and I did user research and secondary research for new products.
I was driving a van around for 6 weeks.
I worked in Shanghai for SC Johnson as a design innovation intern.
I worked for SC Johnson in Racine and helped out with design research.
I worked at Caldrea Company, which is a company owned by SC Johnson, and I did original design research studies and analyzed the shit out of it.
I worked for Doblin Monitor this summer as a design and strategy intern. I ended up doing user research, contextual research, and helped them with a whole bunch of storytelling.